Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Bootstrap error in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, close the game completely. The first step is to make sure the game is not trying to run in the back part of your computer. You need to stop everything before you can fix it. Use your mouse to right-click the bottom bar of your screen and pick the tool that shows all running programs. Find the game icon or the launcher name in the list and click the button to end the task. Because you cannot fix a file while the computer is still trying to use it. You have to clear the memory so the system is ready for a fresh start. Without this step, the old error might stay stuck even after you try to fix it. Next, find your game folder. You need to find the secret spot on your computer where all the game files are kept. Open your file folder and type the special search command to find your game data. Look for the folder that has the game name on it and double-click to open it. It takes you directly to the source of the problem. By going into this folder, you are looking at the main pieces that make the game work. It ensures you are in the right place to find the one file that is causing the error. Next, remove the old setup file. Now you are going to look for a specific file that tells the game how to start up and delete it so the game can make a new, clean one. Look for a file named Bootstrap or Launcher in the folder. Right-click that file and choose the delete or trash option to remove it. This is the most important part, because that file is often the reason the game won't open. By deleting it, you are forcing the computer to download a fresh copy. And that's it. To fix the Bootstrap error in the latest version of Minecraft, you must first close the game fully. Then, you go to your game folder to see the files. Next, you delete the old setup file that is broken. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.